I'm going to talk to you about our silicone facial cleansing brush. This is a 3-in-1 cleansing brush because it has a cleansing head. It has this awesome little piece for your nasolabial folds and any other deep creases that you have. And then it has this other side, which is the massage head. And that's where you're going to use any kind of serum or face oil. So if you were doing this step by step, what I like to do first is remove my makeup with a cotton swab or a washcloth and micellar water. You can use makeup remover, whatever you prefer. And then I go ahead and wet my face and apply my cleanser. After that, I'm going to take the cleansing side of the brush. It's got the circles and the longer bristles. And I'm going to go in a circular motion all around my face. I love how it lathers, it reaches, it pulls out blackheads and impurities. You're going to use this top piece kind of like this in these nose folds and any other deep creases you want to reach inside. And once you are content, you're going to rinse your face off. And I do want to say, anytime you're exfoliating, you don't need to scrub. Our skin does not need abrasive scrubs. A gentle scrub will gently buff away what needs to be removed. And if it doesn't come off, that means it's not ready to fall off. That means it's not yet dead skin. So you're going to gently remove all that dead skin, makeup, impurities, sweat, whatever's on your face from the day. Rinse it with water and pat it dry. You're going to flip your brush over to this side, the massage head, and you're going to put any serums or face oils that you're using and use the massage head, this side, to apply it. So you're going to go again, circular motion all around your face until they're absorbed or almost completely absorbed. And that'll help not only increase absorption, but also give a really beautiful brightness because you're increasing circulation by cleaning your face and then massaging it with the massage head. And that is how you use your facial cleansing brush. I'm going to show you in another video how to wash it when you're done.